This video is for faculty and staff who want to find alumni on LinkedIn. The first way I'm going to show you involves starting with the search box here. I'm going to type in Brandeis University. I'm going to click on alumni. And the first thing I want you to keep in mind is that the word alumni here includes current students. So if you want to eliminate current students, you subtract 5 from the next graduating class. So our seniors right now will be the class of 2020. I'm going to subtract 5. That brings me to 2015. And that reduces our number to a little more than 32,000 alumni. I think of this search bar here as who had a foot on campus. LinkedIn has a few other filters that you might find useful. For example, where they live. If you want to find alumni who are close to campus, you might look at Greater Boston area, but you can also include other areas of the country or other countries in the world. Another filter that you may find very useful is what they studied. Keep in mind that this is by field rather than Brandeis majors. So if you're looking, for example, for students who majored in HSSP, you can type HSSP here as a word search or the proper name of the major. You'll want to use quotation marks, but also keep in mind that whether a student used an ampersand or a comma or an and will affect your results. Another thing that will affect results is when you choose different filters. So for example, if you're looking for students who studied economics, that's going to affect how many alumni there are in various cities. Another way to find Brandeis alumni on LinkedIn is by looking for people from the search bar. This gives you a different range of filters. If you look at all filters here, you're not going to have the year option that you had on the Brandeis alumni page, but you can scroll down and click school. I have looked for Brandeis alumni on a regular basis, so LinkedIn has tailored this to me, but if not, you could add in the name of the school here. So here's my same 41,029 results. You can also add in other filters based on location, current companies versus past companies, which is a distinction we do not have on the other page, but we do have industries and other factors that you might find useful. If you know the specific name of the person, I suggest typing it here rather than in the search bar. Another thing you might use LinkedIn for is contacting the people that you find. So for example, let's say we want to speak to an alum who works at American Express. So I'm going to choose current companies, American Express. I'm going to hit apply, and that gives us 21 results. I'm going to look at Jason Hine and see if he's someone I want to talk to. And if I'm interested in speaking with him, I'm going to see if there's a way for us to communicate. If you want to communicate with someone on LinkedIn, there are 3 ways to do it. You can either purchase a premium membership, or you can connect with them. So this is connecting your personal LinkedIn account with this person. You can add a note to explain why you're reaching out to them and then send an invitation to connect. Or you can look to see if you're in a group with them. Look for that in highlights. I'm going to hit groups, and it turns out I'm in 3 different groups with him. I'm going to choose one of the groups, and I will click on members on the upper right-hand side, and I can type in his name, Jason Hine, and there he is, and I can send a message. One way to find Brandeis groups, type in Brandeis University, and I'll go back to the filter, and I can look for groups related to Brandeis. The only problem with this is sometimes not all groups come up. So if you want to look for more groups that are popular, you can click on the Hiatt career page, scroll down to networking and interviewing on the left-hand side, click on networking, scroll down one more time to connect with Brandeis alumni, and this will bring you to the Brandeis Alumni and Friends page. And we have here a group of names of popular LinkedIn groups that you might consider joining. If you have any other questions about using LinkedIn, please feel free to contact anyone in Hiatt and we can arrange a time to meet with you personally to answer your questions.